just like me. A bear rode by on a purple balloon, counting stars and singing a tune. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's count cupcakes, then count more. A duck in boots said quack-a-doodle-doo. My boots are yellow, my socks are blue. Colors are fun, let's name a few. Red like apples, green like goo. Then came a frog with a book on his head, reading aloud while hopping in bed. He croaked, B is for book and bed, and that's where stories are best when said. So if you hear giggles down your block, it might be that cat in his dancing socks. Learning is fun and silly is cool when rhymes and laughs are part of school.